there, welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name's Sierra and today we're going to talk about the Cricut Joy and Deluxe paper. This is an adhesive backed paper and I wasn't entirely sure what I was going to do with it, but it came with a bundle that I purchased with my Cricut Joy, so I found something really fun to do. So I have this cute notebook right here, but I kind of wanted to add some more flair to it. So I found these really fun flower images and a butterfly, and we are going to use this teal adhesive backed paper and possibly, I think I want to use this one as well because it has some gold incorporated into it. So this will be fun. Pretty exciting. So I have these images and I'm going to go to make it. I have the light grip mat. I chose the light grip mat because it is paper and I didn't really see a point in using a standard grip mat, and these are longer sheets. So we're going to put this on here. So some tools that you'll need is the Cricut Joy with the fine point blade, card mat, or not card mat, standard mat or light grip mat, and the deluxe paper. And obviously your project. So I don't understand why this has it as wide as it is, so I have to rearrange it because this mat is not 11 inches wide. It's only 4 inches wide. There we go. And the other one, I need to turn it just a wee bit. Okay, so you can see, come over to you to show you here on the mat. Once it focuses, focus. There we go. On the mat, this butterfly was facing this way and it goes all the way over to 11. That's not how it works. So we're gonna hit continue. And we're gonna select Deluxe Paper Adhesive Backed. And we're gonna load it. Now, with the card mat, or with the mat, you're always gonna put the logo in the top left-hand corner to load it. Well, I guess the logo is on both ends, so it doesn't really matter on these. On the regular mats, like for the big machines, you're gonna want to put with the little hole. All right, now we're gonna hit go, and we're gonna go. I love this little machine. It's really fun. Don't mind me, gonna have my drink now. So the butterfly is a bit smaller than I thought it would be, but that's okay. They would have fit side by side. I guess that when the Joy measures, it doesn't measure in inches, it measures in centimeters. So, good note to note. Good to know. Good note to know. Anyways, so yeah, lesson learned there. I'll make sure to put that in the description for you so that you know too. Either way, it's going to be a gorgeous butterfly, so it's all good. So cute. I love this little thing. It's so quiet too. It is a tad slower than the Maker is, but I mean, it's great for its size. This guy would be pretty cool to take with you if you're like going on vacation or if you're traveling. If you work a full-time job like me, and let's say that you're traveling for work and you have the evenings to yourself, this would be something to keep you occupied rather than going to have an adult beverage. I mean, that doesn't hurt either. So either way could be a win-win situation. Or if you're going to like a theme park and you got some downtime while the kiddos nap, you can either nap or you can craft. My crazy self would probably be crafting on the beach somewhere. I'd find a portable generator to take with me. Or actually, I could probably plug this into my car and it would still work fine. Yes, I'm giving you ideas. All right, the butterfly is almost done. It's super tiny. It's like this big. I could probably put 20 of them on this notebook. That's okay though. All right, time for the pretty flower. The flower is, I think it's a sunflower, and it's gorgeous. So, I'm going to be doing lots of these tutorials and showing you how to use all of the fun tools and supplies with the Cricut Joy. There aren't many of these tutorials out there, so please make sure that you subscribe so that you can find them easily without a problem. And if you really want to make it super easy, hit the bell so that you can see when I'm on or when I have uploaded something new. Alright, so those two are done. We're going to hit unload. And we're going to remove this paper. And then we're going to add this one for the next one. Load and hit go. Alright, so there we have it. Cute little butterfly. I need scissors. I have bigger scissors somewhere, but they're not over here, so. Gotta save the scraps. Alright, there we go. And then I don't have a weeding pen over here, so we're just gonna do the main outline of these bad boys. Maybe. Oh man, it doesn't want to come off. There we go. Probably much easier with a weeding tool, but that is in the other room. I'm not prepared today. I see you, you're done. Unload. Bear with me. At this point, it probably would have been quicker to go get the weeding pen. What in the world? There we go. It's just super thick. I didn't realize that that was the layer. All right. This is some thick paper, like super thick sticker paper, adhesive paper, whatever you want to call it. Alrighty, so now, oh, this makes it really difficult to see the pattern. That's alright, the light will help. See how tiny this one is? Goodness. go. Fabulous. Alright, so I'm going to come show you up close. This is the butterfly and the sunflower. And if you look into the light, you can see where I have to weed all these little tiny pieces. And this is the pretty other flower. Same thing. You have to weed all those little holes out. But either way, these are pretty freaking cute, aren't they? Alrighty, so that is the Cricut Joy Deluxe paper that is adhesive backed. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can see all these awesome tutorials. And until next time, we'll see you later. Peace out.